Hello, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today, we're actually going to focus on this space that exists that around us, around everything, and that is what is connecting everything. This is a really powerful, wonderful meditation that I discovered many years ago, and it came into my mind this morning when I was asking for guidance as to what to do. So let's jump right in, because this one, there'll probably be a lot of talking to get us into the right place. So I want to hurry up and get in there. We'll start with the Lord's Prayer, prayer of protection. I'll speak us through a guided meditation. We will sit quietly for a little. At the end of the quiet time, you'll hear the bell, so you know we're closing. We'll pull back in and close with the 23rd Psalm. Let's jump right in and get started. Take a deep breath. Just start to relax and close your eyes. And take another deep breath and begin to scan your body. And notice if there's any blocks, discomforts, anything that's stopping you from being fully relaxed. Bring your attention to that spot and release it. If there are any thoughts that are racing, put them on hold. Let them know you'll be back. You're just taking a few minutes break. Let us follow the divine energy that runs through our body from the top of our head to the bottom of our feet. We're going to follow it through our body, relaxing, nourishing each part of ourselves as we move through this path. So we'll begin by bringing our attention to the top of our head and our third eye, which is on our forehead just between our eyebrows. Notice the energy, the movement there as it moves into our head. Bringing our attention to this energy now in our head, everything relaxes and our mind quiets down. We begin to become more still. Noticing the path of energy as it goes into our throats, opening our will center. We are willing to do this, to move forward, to find our connectiveness to the whole and to everyone else. Following the divine energy into our trunk, stimulating our heart, our solar plexus, all the way down to the root chakra, which is just at the bottom of our spine. As this energy gently flows through our legs and at our feet, we find ourselves relaxed and at ease. Let us bring our attention now to our throat. Right there, all the power is very strong. This is where our will is, where we choose to do our will, or do we choose to do the divine's will? Here we're just going to build up and feel the energy. And let's lift that energy up into our head. And as we lift up, we're going to say, "Arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker." In this vast open place, we say our prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Notice, we only pulled up part of our body, spirit, staying securely within our body on the second part, the second half, we stretch up like a beam of light. Keep moving upward past our universe, past our solar system, into the center of our universe. You are safely seated here, yet you are in the center of our universe. Just notice the utter silence, a silence beyond anything we've ever noticed before. Notice how peaceful. Turn yourself around a few times and look at the planets, the suns and the stars, the galaxies. And what do they all have in common? They all have space around them. Everything is covered and surrounded perfectly with space. This empty, perfectly quiet, silent space holds everything in place. The stars, the planets, all the solar systems and galaxies. If not for this silent space, we could not be separate or distinct from anything else. It gives us our identity. Yet, we are all connected by the same silent space. Whether it is the galaxies up here or us as individuals on the earth, we are connected by this amazing space. Whether it be the planets or letters on a page, the space is always there, holding everything in place. Let us sit in this amazing realization that something is taking this beautiful space is really the divine energy that permeates every cell and every atom, every planet, and every galaxy. Thank this beautiful space, this divine energy that holds every piece of everything, making it all possible for this opportunity to experience it. And as we pull ourselves gently back down, fully into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. That is like one of my most powerful, favorite type of meditations. I absolutely hate that it is a 10-minute morning or, 10-minute daily routine, because with that one, I'd like to sit out there for an hour or two. Feel free to listen to this and just have your finger tap the silence or tap the pause button and sit out there and just feel the separateness we are of each other, yet how we are all connected. Every cell, atom, planet to letter on a page. Think about it. If the letters didn't have space, we couldn't see the words. The divine holds it all together with space. Thanks again for joining me. I look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. Please like and comment, share. I'd like to get this out to more people. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.